made sense to me in the 90s. Like, I just felt like everything was where it was supposed to be. Like, rappers were rappers. Presidents were presidents. Boys were boys. Girls were girls. Like, they didn't switch. You know what I mean? Now, I don't even know the world I'm living in anymore. I don't understand it. Like, people have these heated debates, and they're furious at each other about things we never even thought of. Like, they're debating transgenders and women's sports. That's a real debate that's happening across the country, and people are at each other's throats. Like, the right-wingers are like, that's a biological man, he can't compete in women's sports. And then the left-wingers are like, what do you mean that's a man? That's a beautiful woman with a penis. And, like, they're furious, just arguing with each other. And I'm just sitting here, and I'm like, can we all just take a deep breath and take a step back and just return to a simpler time when we had consensus on this issue, and we all agreed that we don't care about women's sports? Like, what? Why is it even a thing? When did we start letting them do it? I don't remember. But it's ridiculous. Do you know what we used to say about the WNBA in 1995? Nothing. We didn't have a WNBA in 1995. And we all got along just fine. I never watched Jordan dunk on some dude, and then I was like, something's missing, you know? That was pretty cool, but I would like to see a lady try a layup after this, right? Just to bring this whole thing home. Oof. Nothing is where it's supposed to be anymore, including me. I'm also not where I'm supposed to be. I know I'm not. Because, like, I'm objectively, what I am is I'm a 40-year-old dad. And I feel like as a 40-year-old dad, I should be looking at the younger generation. Like, I should look at a 20-year-old kid, and I think I should feel like, I should be like, whoa, these kids are wild. Like, that's the natural order. Is a 40-year-old dad looks at a 20-year-old kid and goes, these kids are out of control. But I'm not doing that. I'm a 40-year-old dad, and I'm looking at these 20-year-old kids, and I'm like, could you stop being such a fucking faggot for like 5 seconds? For 5 seconds. Like, try a drug. Fuck something, you know? Skin your knee, young man. Is what I say. And then that 20-year-old is like, did you just say faggot? That's a very offensive word. And I'm like, you're lecturing me about the impact of my words? You're 20. This is ridiculous. I should be doing that. I'm the dad. Like, we should switch.